I want to export this table to Excel and then continue working on it in Excel. The first thing I do is go to File and to Export and to Reports. And then I choose this Schedule option and I define the folder I want to place it in. And I also change this format to text. I will click Save. And here I usually keep all of these options. All I do is click OK. Next I will open the Excel or any other program that you're using, and I will go to Open. I click Browse and I will find my file. I also have to change this option to all files, not all Excel files, but all files in order to find my textual file. And here it is. I click on it and I click Open. Here I just click Next, Next again, and Finish. And this is what it looks like. Now you can just continue editing it in the Excel. All of these different rows and columns are the different rows and columns in Excel, and it looks good. All you sometimes have to do is just kind of take these columns and make them a little bit bigger, but other than that, everything will work out perfectly. If you enjoy learning with us, take a look at our architectural course through the link below. With 20 hours of structured video lessons, it's designed to help beginners master Revit step by step. To support your progress, we've included assignments with each lesson, plus the opportunity to ask questions and receive guidance directly from the instructor whenever you need it. This way, you're not just watching tutorials, you're actively learning, practicing, and improving with guidance every step of the way. Thank you for watching.